Good morning, dear students. I hope all of you are understanding the all sessions very well way and revise each and every session because the successor session is related with the predecessor session. So first of all, we have just discussed online blogging, offline blogging, instant messaging, chatting with the contact, etc. Now we will discuss the most important topic: online transactions. Online transaction means it's very important at the point of view in e-commerce. E-commerce is mostly of many types, like company to business, business to company, company to customer, customer to company, company to mediator to customer. Lot of type. In each and every e-commerce, there is a biggest medium to pay your product cost, that is online transaction. You can pay your money by ATM card, debit card, credit card, net banking, by any app like Yono app, like Beam app, like UPI, like Paytm, etc. So these are the transactions way to give detail. So dear student, first of all I would like to tell you what is the e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce, buying and selling of goods online. It means to say electronic means combined with the power of the internet is known as the e-commerce, where customers can pay online using ATM card, debit and credit card, internet banking or cash on delivery. Okay students, so some of the popular portals like Amazon, like Flipkart, like Paytm, like eBay, like Bonaja, like many more online transaction site or e-commerce site are available in the market. So there are very much features, advantages or disadvantages of this. So I would like to tell you the advantage of e-commerce. So advantage of e-commerce is convenience. Means you have no need to go anywhere. You can sit in a single place. At the same place you can book your product. So it means to say e-shopping offers the convenience of shopping where a customer does not have to go to the store physically and stand in a line to shop or pay for the product. He can book his or her product by sitting at home or anywhere else. Second, information and review. In an online store provides review on the product which helps the customer to get additional information like instruction or products usage, etc. Price and selection. You can compare more and more product at the same range of price, same quality, same features. So customer directly from the manufacturer or seller, the shopping sites are able to give a competitive price and better deals to the customers. They are giving offers, buy one get one free, the more and more discount, free delivery. This is the advantages. No compulsive shopping. A user buy the product at his will and as per his choice anytime anywhere. There are no salesmen around doing hard selling and influence the customer to buy. And what are the disadvantages? Okay, so disadvantages are online shopping does not give us a personal touch. Nobody can define us, nobody can interact us, nobody can tell us the detail of about the product. Okay, an important issue is the data security, as making payment online is not completely safe. A hacker or cracker can steal your data. If a website does not offer free shipping, then shipping cost add to the cost of the product. You have to pay for delivery of product. A major problem in e-shopping is that hassle in returning the product. It is very big disadvantage of e-commerce. If you don't like your product, it is difficult to return your product, or you have to wait for your money or change your product. There is a huge risk of online fraud. Some sites sell product at a very low price and compromises on the quality of the product. This is the way. Online transaction using Amazon. So you know well, either you are doing your transaction your Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, you should have to register yourself on a particular website or application. So Amazon is one of the largest online shopping website in the world. It is Amazon e-commerce and cloud computing company. Follow the step mentioned below the shop on Amazon. Log on the official website like amazon.in. Type the name of the item you want to search. Okay, select the desired product and check the key features. Once you satisfied with the product, then click on buy now. After clicking buy now, you need to create your account and type your username and password. Okay, fill in the address detail where you want to get your delivery, either your office or your home detail. Select the payment mode. Okay, and click on continue option. Review your order detail and click on place your order and pay. You will get at the same time one time password OTP at your mobile. So put your mobile OTP on the place. You will get a thank you message after doing your booking. You will get a thank you message on the screen. Next one is the online transaction in e-reservation. Online transaction means pay money for purchasing any product. So e-reservation means making a reservation or appointment for services via internet. Using e-reservation, we can not only check the availability of seats in bus, train or aircraft anytime, but can also reserve rooms, meeting halls or tables in restaurant. Okay, what is the benefit of e-reservation? Benefit of reservation: accessibility anywhere. Dear student, accessibility anywhere. We can book a ticket from anywhere else, because nowadays we are booking our ticket from the mobile phone. Cost cutting: you can visit multiple websites to select the best price. Which of the website giving you more discount, so you can book your ticket from that particular website. Commission fee: we have no need to give any commission to any mediator. Quick system: okay, the booking through e-reservation system is very fast. Whenever you click on book, you get message at the same time. Changes and cancellation: if you want to make any change in your booking, so you can change, or if you want to cancel your booking, you can also click on the cancel button. Customer review: customer can also give their ideas. Okay, customer review during e-reservation help in deciding the type of services that will be provided by the service provider. Next, safe and reliable. E-reservation software provides a secure online transaction system. By taking security measures, protect your confidential credit card, debit card information. This not share your confidential detail to any other e-reservation company or site. Application area. Next one is that. This one is the application area. So e-reservation has changed the reservation process completely in the last few years. It is being used in areas such as hotel reservation, travel ticket reservation, movie ticket reservation, event reservation, sport or match reservation. Okay, student. So reservation, what is the reservation process? Okay, student. So popular website like Amazon, like irctc.com, many more websites are there available to book your ticket online, like Make My Trip, like yatra.com. So IRCTC, Make My Trip, Book My Show, yatra.com. So there are two things required for book your ticket or book online reservation. One is an internet connection. Second one is the online payment facility. First of all, you should have to open the irctc.com on your system, on your computer, on your mobile phone. Then register to create an account on the website. Sign in with your username and password. Check the availability of the service. If availability, then book now. File the required detail, make payment as per the given direction. You can make your detail. Like, first of all, you have to put your user ID, password, captcha should be there. This should be matched. If it is a capital, then you need to write capital. If this is a small, then you have to write the small letter. So captcha should be matched. If you want to get request on OTP on the mobile, then click on this checkbox. Okay, if you have forgot your password, click on the forgot password. So this will send your password, your registered mobile number or email ID. Sign up to log out. Okay. If you want to log in, so go inside your account. Live and non-live reservation. Live reservation are those reservations which are confirmed on the spot. These are generally the outcome of direct reservation between the customer and the service provider. Customer can get more information about the actual place, such as hotel or restaurant. Non-live reservations are those which cannot be confirmed instantly, as they are handheld by the third party that acts as an intermediary between the customer and the service provider. So dear student, this is the way by which we can book our ticket online. Okay, you can register yourself on the particular reservation site like irctc.com, like yatra.com, like makemytrip.com. So whenever you will open the irctc.com website on your computer, so a window will appear. First of all, if you are registered, then okay. If you are not registered, then make your account by clicking on the sign up. Okay. So user ID, like I have that, just to put my user ID Rohit. Password at least should be 8 character, the small letter, the capital letter, the special word, and captcha. Captcha, this is a word. This child, if it is not a small child or it is not a robot, so it will use the captcha. Captcha should be matched as it is. Or if you want to change your captcha, then click on this. Suppose your captcha is not readable, so click on this, so you will get new captcha. Request, if you want to get request OTP on your mobile, click on this text box. This is the text. Click on, so you will get OTP. Okay, so this is the way to payment, to book, to buying or selling anything product online, e-commerce. This is the detail. Okay, student, have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.